Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnific Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work, which means we had to remove the brew unit, replace it. You can see this old brew unit has a lot of coffee buildup. We did clean the shower head of the generator as well as replace the gasket of the generator itself. We relubricate the transmission, deep clean everything inside as well, deep clean the spouts, descale this machine, clean a little bit around the hopper, and yeah, that's all what we did with this espresso machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna select 2 ounces, medium grind right here. Right now the machine is pushing the brew unit into position so that it will start grinding beans. Once it starts grinding the beans, we'll go through here. There's a little funnel that goes directly into the brew unit. This one right here, which pushes all the coffee inside. Then it moves all the way to the generator where it gets extracted. It will get completely compressed right here. Then the water pump will start pushing water through the thermoblock to the generator, into the brew unit, then into the spout, as you can see right there. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color and really good crema. We're running on the medium settings, so if you would like to get even more crema, you can increase the grinder to grind a bit more finer, and after 3 shots of espresso the machine will calibrate and you'll be able to have a little bit more crema or less crema depending how you like your coffee. So as you can see, nice shot of espresso with crema, working great. Hot water for this machine, we're gonna test it out as well. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent temperature as well, working great. And now we're gonna be testing the steam. Now for the steam, the thermoblock on the back of the machine needs to heat up in order for the machine to produce steam. Once it gets to that temperature, the pump will start pulsing water through the steam thermoblock, where the steamer will start dispensing steam through the one right here. As the thermoblock gets hotter, you can see more steam coming out of the one, to the point that you will have this pressure and this beautiful steam coming out of the machine. Working excellent, as you can see. Really good pressure. Working amazing. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button down below and hit that bell. Thank you so much.